Friends, hello, man, oh man, what a bloodbath we are witnessing right now in the stock market. Palantir, my sweet little baby Palantir, has taken some abuse today. But I gotta be honest, I bought some more Palantir today. I bought more. I was talking with a friend today and we were like, whoa, what is going on in the market? And they said, did you buy anything? I said, well, yeah, I actually bought more Palantir. So the latest news that's come out here with Palantir is the CAZ situation. Obviously, Palantir will provide the AI-powered solutions, accelerate partner onboarding and investment managers. Here's the whole thing. I'll just show you. No one wants to hear me read, but more good news around with Palantir, but still today, it wasn't just Palantir that took a dive today, AI stocks in general, but a lot of stocks. Stock market got slammed today. I mean, just slammed. There were a few things that did okay, but the majority of stocks just, man, they got annihilated today. It was just chopping heads off. And this is why it's so important to have cash on hand, something that you can take, maybe even if it's just $100, $50, $20, say, hey, it's a bad day in the market. I'm going to buy something because, yeah, this ship will turn around here. So, friends, we're in September. The rest of September, we're probably looking at a washout. I don't know that we're going to see much more out of this next week. We got October, we've got November. Those will be our last big months in the year. And I don't know how big they're going to be. Let's be honest here. We're getting down to some nitty gritty bad news coming from, just Wall Street, our administration, and just people in charge here. Housing rates have went up. People's mortgages have gone up. My mortgage just went up just because, our county said, hey, taxes went up, so sorry, now your mortgage is going up. Student loans are kicking back in. Christmas is around the corner. So, inflation is still going through the roof. Gas, everything. We're just in it's a hard moment right now for a lot of people, and I get it. Everyone's cutting back. And I think what is the main thing that always sees the kickback from that? It's the market. The market always takes the brunt of the kick from people going, I can't spend money right now. I need to take my investment elsewhere. I need to pay my bills. And I think that's going to be what we could possibly be seeing here. Maybe in October, November, we may be seeing a little bit of a sell-off. December, we know will bring automatic sell-off because people are going to get rid of their bag holding. They're going to make adjustments in what they're investing in because they're going to be getting ready for the tax year going into 2024 of for January and February and getting their taxes back of 2023. It's just a situation right now where I don't know how much meat is left on the bone here for the rest of the year. We've probably already had our good day this year, and that was just a few months ago back in the summer here when we had a few good weeks. But now, I think we're just gonna get what we get at this point. The main thing is that here's what we know to be true with Palantir. Talking about Palantir, we know Palantir, regardless, is gonna finish out the year strong. They've already made their quota. They've already beat it. We know from the last two quarterlies of this year, they're right on track, more than what they need to be. We're still talking about deals coming in. We're still talking about what's to come. And Palantir is still at the top of the food chain with the new, just push in AI right now. Obviously, it's not the number one dog out there, but it is still very much talked about and still has much more to come down the road. So it does have more meat left on the bone. And this is why people are still putting their money in Palantir. And yes, we saw a drop today. I mean, yes, there was a drop in Palantir, but it wasn't, end of the world drop for Palantir. We closed out at a 930 today. We closed out at a 1390 today. Palantir closed out at $14 even, still going into a low high 13 still even after hours. So we'll see tomorrow. Hopefully will be a reset, a bounce back. Hopefully tomorrow we still don't see sell off. But like I said, I think things might start getting choppy out there. It is very interesting what's going on in just our economy right now, and not to mention just all the political stuff that's going on, for God's sakes. So friends, listen, I'm still buying Palantir even now. A lot of us didn't think we were going to still be buying Palantir right now. We thought hey, we're going to be at our price point and, we don't want to ruin where we're at. We're at 13, we're at 14. I don't want to keep, buying up. But the market, if we had a better market, obviously I think Palantir and AI stocks, a lot more stocks would be doing just fine, and we'd be in the high teens right now if we had a good situation going here in the economy and the market. But that's not what we're talking about right now. We're talking about an economy that is struggling, going into some hard season here, and I don't know what possibly more is going to take place here with this market. So friends, key points here. Yes, I'm still in love with Palantir. I still like what's coming. We know this last quarterly to wrap up the year is going to be good. It's going to be successful, and that's the main thing. And Palantir will more than likely, when that comes out, it will move back up into a, hopefully, depending on where the market is, if it can at least sustain this $13 to $15 mark, which it should, we're assuming, we'll probably see a 17, 18 once again, like we just did on this last quarterly. And just the question is, what will this market be in 2024, January, February, here in a few months? I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. It's no one knows the real answer out there. Okay, friends, I wish all of you the best of luck. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you're doing. I will talk to you soon. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.